Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to send any song through messages on your iPhone. To do this, you open the correspondence with your contact, and here you can very quickly and easily send a song as a message. To do this, you click on Chat. After that, you click on the icon plus, and here in a large list find the inscription, Music. You click on it. And then you choose here any track you need, which is in your music. I click on any track and send it. The song is sent, and your friend can listen to it. As you can see, it's a very easy and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.